Hey there. So today we are going to learn about breadboard. As we can see on the screen, we have a white color board here with lots of holes. So this is known as a breadboard. So what exactly it does? So first of all, what is breadboard? So a breadboard is used to build circuits without soldering that. Okay, you might have seen the wires which is soldered. So using the breadboard, we don't need to solder. We just need to attach the wire, or we just need to, place the wire wherever we want and do the connections, as I will explain you in the coming part. So in simple words, it is a temporary platform to connect an electronic components easily. So this is what breadboard look like. So in this, there are holes connected with metal strips. So now let us understand how it is connected. That is very important. So this is connected in this way. So the first part here is connected straight, and the middle one is connected uh, this way, the vertical way, and this is horizontal. So that is how it is connected. And in every connection, we have only 5 holes, and the middle line is left for IC. So now let us go back and see. So here the side rails are power rails here, that is plus and minus. You can place VCC or GND or anything you want in this rails. So these rails here are internally connected with each other, the power one, and middle area here, A, B, C, D to J. So these are connected 5 in a group. So you can you know place an IC in the center gap. What is IC we'll be learning in our hardware videos. So now let us know how it works. So you will insert components like resistors, LEDs, and sensors on these holes, and it will be connected using jumper wires. So no soldering needed, just plug in and play. That's it. For example, want an LED light and LED. So connect LED plus resistor, plug it into a breadboard and connect it to Arduino. That is done. So directly it is the circuit will work instantly. So there are some important points to be noted. It is easy to use and it is reusable, but for testing circuits. But if you want a permanent circuit, then soldering is the good option. Okay, so let us conclude by saying that breadboard doesn't need soldering. So we can say that no solder circuit board. So in a simple way to understand. So it will help us, the breadboard will help us in testing and learning electronics, and it will save lot of time and efforts. And that's how we learned about breadboard in a quick and easy way. So that's how we quickly build circuits without any permanent wiring. And this is how electronics is cool. So see you in the next video, future robot builders.